Your HVAC designs deserve precision, not guesswork. Ever dealt with an HVAC system that struggled to keep up, causing inefficiencies, callbacks, or compliance issues? It's not just frustrating, it's costly. At KO Energy Design, we take the guesswork out of HVAC design by providing manual J-load calculations, right-sizing every system for peak performance, manual D Duct Designs, balanced airflow that maximizes efficiency, energy code compliance reports, avoiding costly rejections and delays. A well-designed system isn't just about comfort, it's about efficiency, compliance, and avoiding headaches down the road. Get it right the first time, see how our expert design makes all the difference. Explore our HVAC services now. KO Energy Design HVAC Services.